Bobby is the best New Orleans driver in this group right now.
Wilson don't smell this fucking
It's painful right now. It's so painful.
Yeah, what lane did you get? The good one. You want to use the iPad? Hell yeah.
So we out here in Brainard, Minnesota. As you can see out here, the weather ain't being our friend. We just went up a chip draw. Alice Loggins out here with new combo, new crew, new all kind of shit. That's who we drew. I know they made a couple test licks in Texas, but they ain't made no test lick in this weather like this. So I done whacked Rich Boy's ass one time and try to wrap it again. And see if I can go on around two, get some more points. And try to stay up where I'm at or go a little higher up in points. God, that thing looks badass though. We gonna kick his ass. We're gonna try to at least see how it turns out. Cooter, what's about to happen?
About to get hot and dry.
About to get hot. Yeah, warm. Oh, that thing's drying now, boys.
Crazy amount of heat on that dude.
Yes, sir. Drying now. We're about to race. At Brainard, baby. We're here in Brainard. Weather's kind of yesterday rained out. Thinking nothing happened. Today, we drew Alex going into the first round of Elimination, which is a qualifier deal. We're going to test with Doc, see if we can get a good rip. The air's a good bit different here. And we're going to see how it turns out with Doc and see what we got to do against Alex. Kicked Doc's ass. I lifted 338 in the run and still got there before he did. Turn the wind line on. That was a good pass. That looks really good. Sky's up, just gonna massage it just a little bit. Only against Alex. And he been kind of mouthy, so I'm gonna mouth back a little bit too and be like, you know, probably run my dick across the iPad or some shit, you know what I mean? I got 2 wins up on him. I'll see if I get third. Piss him off a little. Rip Alex's whole head off. He talked all that shit. He go right back to the HRA, all the rich fuckers. He talked all that shit about I was slow. It didn't look too fucking slow when you see these tail lights the whole rip of the track. You know what I'm saying? So he can take this dick on his screen and just drew Caleb for round 2. It goes fast. And, she's looking right, so we're going to really send this son of a bitch. I hope it's hitting harder than she does. back from the pass with Kayla. About to go through the motor, do a little maintenance. And she kicked my ass. We got out there, got a little squirrely. The right lane started to get a little tricky in the heat. Got a little greasy. And I got this rule of thumb. If you watch the camera, if you steer too far this way or still too far this way, just get out of it. It's not worth it. I went past my comfort zone anyway. But man, I couldn't another with it. She outrun me. No, nothing bad to say about her. She's a badass racer. We're gonna get our shit together and go back to Cordova next week, and hopefully, go some more rounds, get some more points. At the end of the day, this points is gonna matter the most. Not just winning an event or going rounds every track, but every stop you gotta go around and stay in there, and that's what we're trying to do. We're just a small team going up against a lot of teams with a lot of money, and for what I'm doing and where I'm at in points, I'm pretty happy with myself, my crew guys, everybody. So I mean, we do what we can with a whole lot less. I think we're good with it. Y'all check us out. Tell us what you want to see, what you want to know. And if you don't want to know something, don't ask. If you want to know something, just ask.
My name's Pops. I like messing shit up, and I like pie. Lots and lots of pie.
On the way to Cordova, we stopped at where we at? We're at the Mall of America.
All of America.
They got roller coasters, Ferris wheels. See if we can throw our food up. Let's say lunch.